I've never had tea, but I'm crazy about coffee.
My mother took away my milk bottle. I stopped having milk. She tried giving me tea. She tried giving me chocolate milk, ruafza. One fine day, she just decided to give me some coffee.
So with the cream, it tastes like a warm, creamy, kind of a liquidy drink, not quite a drink, not quite a dessert.
Actually, the young generation really needs a place where they can hang out with their friends, with their family.
The taste is evolving.
I think a combination of a coffee house which has a wide selection of teas would be the ideal concept.